In this video, I'll show you how to change currency on Binance. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Alright, so different users may prefer to trade cryptocurrencies using various base currencies. So some might prefer to trade using Bitcoin, BTC, as their base currency, while others may prefer, Ethereum or even stable coins like USDT. So your choice of base currency can depend on your trading strategy and your personal preferences. So how do we change our currency on Binance? First, you're gonna log into your account. Okay, if you don't have an account on Binance yet, this is the perfect time to sign up. It's free anyway, right? So I'm here at my computer, Binance.com, and I log in using your credentials. If you're using your mobile device, log in, open the app. All right, on this section, see on the profile here, you should be able to get a setting here. Depends on the platform you're using. Some there are Binance Lite. If you're using a Binance Lite, what will happen is you will be able to check the currency and the payment currency here. For example, your currency is US dollars, USD, and your payment currency would be a GBP. So it depends. But since I'm using a different interface, so what I can do is go here at identification. Okay, so in the payment section here, since my account is not yet verified, so I won't be able to show the currency and the payment currency. But don't worry, because here we can always go here in the Binance section, the help center. All right. So this is how you convert cryptocurrencies with no fees using Binance Convert, and you can also change your currencies. All right. So I suggest you go here. Okay. If you're lost and having troubles changing your currency and payment currency, all right. Since I don't have it, my payment method is not yet verified. Or once again, always go to the support section here, Binance. These customer service agents are always responsive and they're welcome to help you out with any of your concern. Right here, support. Tell them you're having problems changing your currency on Binance, and they will give you steps and guide you all along to make sure you'll be able to change your currency on Binance. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.